I gotta be so focused. I gotta be so focused. Curling his hair. And that palmetto bug hanging, flipping and flopping around. What if he show his face and I get startled? For those who it matter to, here's my unfiltered face and without makeup. But I'm about to get my play on with some filters because you all know I love my filters. This is a part of my hair care routine from transitioning from relaxed hair to natural hair. I'm using the Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and restore shampoo with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. And then I'm going in with the strengthen and restore treatment mask with the same ingredients as well. And this is my favorite, absolute favorite, the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. This leave-in conditioner is ideal as a heat protectant while silk pressing your hair. So I'm going to use the hair press comb. It is perfect. The heating comb teeth delivers even ceramic heat, no damage for hair, and it helps make the hair beautiful, frizz-free, and fabulous. It comes with 3 different heating levels. So you just choose which works best for you. I find that putting it on the 3rd heating level works best for me because it didn't get very hot, which is good. So I find that when doing a silk press, it helps when I go in and just comb out the hair with the hot comb as if I'm combing my hair. So I just comb through the hair as if I'm combing my hair, and then I'll flip the hot comb towards the back because that's how you're really supposed to press your hair. You just use the back of the hot comb to distribute the heat and get the hair straightened. I stopped relaxing my hair because I noticed it was thinning my hair, especially the back of my neck, the hair over there below. It was just thinning it out too much, and just letting it grow out, I noticed there's just a lot of growth there. And wigs tend to do that too. If you tend to wear wigs for a long period of time, it'll just eat out the back of your hair. And so there's just a lot of growth back there, which I'm really happy about because I'm trying to grow my hair out to be very long and thick. I don't know if I'll ever go back to relaxing it again, but we'll see. I just really wanted to get healthy because I want to color it soon. I just want to put some blonde streaks in it eventually. So notice how I went in from the top and just flipped the comb on the back and just smooth on out. That's how you get it to get straight. And so I just go in and just comb it because I have a lot of new growth at the beginning here. And I just comb it out a little bit. And the heat, it helps straighten it out. And then I'll just grab a pick and I'll just comb it out a little bit instead of yanking it out with the comb, with the hot comb. Instead of yanking it out with the hot comb, I'll just comb through it with the pick or just a regular comb. I'll just comb through it. It just makes it easier to go through it again with the hot comb. And then I just keep combing it out and letting it get smooth out so that it'll be easy for me to just flip it on the back of the comb. So I have a 4B curl type texture hair, and basically that's what I'm doing. I'm going in with the hot comb and just combing through all of that new growth that's in there, because there's a lot of new growth. I haven't relaxed my hair in such a while. So this little gadget came along with the hot comb. There go my filter glitching. This little gadget came along with the hot comb. I'm not certain that's what it's for, but I'm just using it to clean off the extra hair accumulated on the comb. So for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna complete my entire hair. I didn't do a bone straight look, just enough to get the curls straightened a little bit, because I'm gonna go in with a curling iron, and that curling iron is super duper hot. I gotta be so focused. Curling his hair, and that palmetto bug hanging, flipping and flopping around. What if he show his face and I get startled? Okay, moving right along here. My hair has gotten so long. The filter is glitching. Yeah, but my hair has gotten so long. Look at that. Ooh. I want it to grow out very long to waist length. Yep. There's so much new growth up in here. So far so good. I haven't seen that palmetto bug flipping and flopping around. Oh, jeepers. It's a Florida thing. They usually live in the palmetto trees. That's why they're called palmetto bugs.
A few moments later.
So, a friend of mine hooked me up on a blind date, so let's carry on. Just a little bit of makeup. Just a little bit of got to be glue to lay those baby hairs down. If you're enjoying the video so far, go ahead and give me a like. And now for the moment we've been waiting for. Ta-da! Every now and then you have to go in with a hot curling iron and help it out a little bit. I can't wait to see who this mystery man is my friend got me on a blind date with. Are you like me, having to clean your earrings with alcohol before putting them on? Let me know in the comments. What do you all think of the silk press? I didn't want to do it too straight, but I like it the way it is for now. Just nice and a little bouncy. And I'm so glad that we was able to get through it without that palmetto bug creeping around.